We are live.
Oh my god. This is so exciting.
It's very exciting, my baby. Welcome back to the live. Good morning, very early. We just want to say congratulations.
Yes, congratulations.
We found a winner for the Black Friday FIMI Energy giveaway competition. Yes, we have our winner and they should be joining us on the live. We just want to let you guys know that there are real people winning and the support is there. But it is just so amazing when you see people supporting you genuinely, and especially if you know that you have been supporting them as well. So it's like good when you get that same energy. Yeah, so we love that, and we just want to say thank you so much to everyone who participated. We know everybody could win, but everybody still push out, and for that we really and truly thank you. The goal was for us to reach our first 100 followers, and we did that. Yes, we did that. So guys, thank you so much for supporting the FIMI Energy clothing brand. We appreciate it. Anything else you want to add, my baby?
No, I'm just so excited to be able to give back.
Yes.
Because that's what blessings are about. You have to give back to the people, and I love doing that in every way.
We love doing that. We're givers. And we love giving back to the Jamaicans, especially because that's where everything started, and we really love Jamaica. We love Jamaica bad. So we're happy to see that Jamaicans are a part of it, and just look forward for a lot more to come, a lot more giveaways to come. So if you're new to the page and everything and you think like, oh my god, we missed this one, don't worry, we have so much more giveaways to come. So please go on over and follow the FIMI Energy page, turn on your post notification bell, also follow my page, because everything we will be posting as soon as the competition come and it drop, you'll be the first one to run in on it and make sure say you can win something.
I think as we get blessed, we will bless the people back, and stuff like that. And I'm encouraged to keep these type of contests going on, because we just want to be thankful.
Yes.
And being thankful first to God and to give back to other people, is a blessing.
It is.
It's a circle.
It is.
It's a circle, and I love doing that.
Yeah.
I don't know you guys personally, but I love giving back. So I'm excited to be excited for the next one.
Yes.
Maybe we'll give away an outfit. I mean, we're gonna be there soon.
True.
And after the modeling casting, maybe we'll make something special. I'll be like, win this, whether it's a guy clothes, girl clothes, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
As you see, we're getting new things in, and I would love to give an outfit away.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
And as I said, the FIMI Energy clothing, yes, outfit. The FIMI Energy clothing brand, it is not only for male, it's not only for female, it's male, female, whatever you are, whatever level you are, all different type. There's something for everybody. So we just like very versatile, and no matter your style of clothing, there is something for you here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I don't think our winner.
Yeah, I don't think our winner will be joining us. Probably still asleep. But if anything, we will post our winner, so you can always see that this is a real competition. This is a real prize, because a lot of people do prizes, the giveaway, and hear nothing about the winnings, see or hear nothing. So we really just wanted to come live and show you guys that what we're doing is real. We are real people. This is a real thing, and we have a lot more coming your way soon. So just keep up to date with us, follow the journey, join the journey. Hopefully you will see a lot more soon.
Yeah, I agree. A lot more is coming.
A lot more is coming, guys. A whole lot more. So, yeah.
Anybody have any questions? What would you like to see FIMI brand bring out? I know everybody's living in different countries, different states, you know, for us, but you know, we're urban wear definitely, and you know, vacations, you know, is top
number one. Sure. Like vacation wear is, would I say that is the main thing where we cover. So the main thing where we cover overall. You know, people want to go on vacation, they don't want to look the same way, they don't want to feel the same way or anything, but you want to feel different when you go on vacation. You want in your regular clothes.
Let me say an example. Like I go, you know, me coming to the States, coming to Jamaica for visitations and stuff like that. Man, 5-10 people already have on my outfit, or already have on this thing that I thought I'm a baby to. I said never again.
You think you're the only one, you know, like you say, oh God, it's like a hot when we put it on.
Plenty resorts, plenty things there, and then still every time.
It looks like a uniform. It looks like a. It look like a uniform. So you're like, oh God, you know, I don't want to be like that.
I was in a uniform.
No, baby, not you. I'm talking in general. You know, other people. No, you did look really good. You did very outstanding. I love what you did.
Anyway, yes. So that you get that feeling that nobody else on that resort, that property, that vacation has what you have on. You know, and they might even come and be like, oh, wow, that's really pretty. That's nice. That's what we like, ladies, when we put on our outfits. We like compliments.
Right.
So, you know, we don't want to look like it's a uniform or anything like that. So I am excited about everything. But with that being said, you know, I like rompers. You guys like rompers? I love rompers. It shows like your shape and everything like that. And I love shorts. And I don't know about most of you ladies, I love bikinis.
True.
So, you know, bikinis, different styles. I do love one pieces too. But at the same time, I would like to, you know, create something that, you know, anybody can wear. So it doesn't matter if you're a thick girl or not, or your swag is guyish or whatever. I want to bring that out. I want to bring that energy out to you.
True.
So that when you walk on that beach or be on your vacation or whatever streetwear, you're feeling hot.
Yeah. Because come to think of it, guys, your clothes represents you, regardless if you admit it or not. And we know sometimes not everybody can dress up nice, and not everybody can like wear what them would have want to, you know, regardless of certain things. But when you can, you want to feel comfortable, you want to feel confident, you want to feel like, yo, when you step in somewhere, people look at you and say, yo, that is sick, that is a sick fit. And you don't feel worried if nobody got in it. Because a lot of times, if we want to go somewhere, we think we want to stand out. I don't like regular, you know, you go regular places. Say you have an event and you want to go somewhere, you want to be like, not like the center of attention, but you want to just feel good in yourself. You know, you just want to have a buzz them way they so, you know them, you have to come on.
That's funny.
Yeah, somebody say you want to look like a hotters. Yeah, you have to look like a hotters.
Which is our clothing line is very versatile. You know? So I love that.
I love
that. The creation is different and unique, so.
True. Alright, so we will be going off the live. If anything, we are going to see if we winner on. If we get in contact with them, we'll come back and just present them prize. But if not, then we'll just tag them and let you know who win. But thank you guys so much for joining us, and we do appreciate the support. Remember, if you haven't as yet, please follow the FIMI Energy page. And remember to turn your post notification bell on, because we have a lot more giveaways to come, and you know you don't want to miss out on the good things then.
Yeah, and the next one is going to be an outfit, so I'm excited to design something that a man or design something for a woman and stuff like that for a free giveaway.
Yeah.
December's coming.
Christmas.
All right, thanks, guys.
All right, guys. Bye. All right, we are live. Good morning, guys. We are back again. So we just want to update you guys on the casting call because some persons still have been asking about it. So we just want to try to give some more information on what we are looking for. So yeah, baby, let them know what we're looking for.
Actually, I just want to talk about a little bit of the people that we need. The people that we need, you have to be full of energy. The energy has to come through your photos. I know we're just asking for the basic white shirt. Doesn't matter if it's a collared shirt, a tank top, or whatever. We just need the white to reflect a little bit of your face. That's the purpose of the white shirt. Mm-hmm. Jeans, of course, jeans shows your figure unless you're wearing baggy clothes. And a headshot front and back. So it's just more of getting the correct view of your body. Also, we want to know your size, and we do swimwear. We want to see your body to make sure that it's what we need. Mm-hmm. And stuff like that. Once people are selected in December, we're gonna do that video face on so we can see that we're not getting catfish because it is a real thing. Yeah. And that you look like what you sent in before we make our final decision. So it's a process. Mm-hmm. It's not something, that's you and we want to make sure you look like who you sent in. Yeah. And as I said, look like who you sent in. So don't expect you to send in a picture from 2015. That's how you used to look 2012. And then when we ask because we do require a current face shot as well. So when you do send that, it is like night and day. We know that now gonna look good on your side, and it gonna make us see alright. Automatically we feel like we can't trust a person here because it's a casting call. We don't want to know what you look like then, because it's not then I got mark the clothes then we need. They know, so yeah, just keep that in mind as well. And this is very exciting for us. So we want you guys to participate. We want you to become one of our models. I mean, I would love that. Would you love that? Oh my gosh. We want to give back as much as we can in many ways that we're trying to. Mm-hmm. And it's important that, we get the proper pictures that we need. Those persons that we hired will let us know, okay, this is your criteria. These are the ones that we selected, blah, blah, blah. And we'll go from there. We're the final selectors. Right. And stuff like that. So we want, people to participate and, you may not have any experience and it doesn't even matter. It don't matter because we will fix you. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like when we're on set, we will let you know what we want. And sometimes it's good working, as I said, maybe with natural raw talent. You see that different energy. And maybe, who knows, you can unlock a different side of talent where they never even know, them did have. Yeah. So that is awesome. I agree. Raw talent. I mean, not saying that if you're a model already that you can't participate. No, we're just saying that. Oh my gosh, let's try. Let me try to see. Yeah. We actually have our winner. We have a winner, guys. From our Black Friday FIMI Energy clothing brand giveaway. We had that yesterday, and this person, they actually got us the most followers. Now we know a lot of persons tag people under the flyer, but not everybody that they tag actually follow the page. So this is how we determine the winner, if the persons who you tag actually follow the page. So this person, they actually got enough, all those followers to the page, and for that, she actually got the most followers to the page. So for that, appreciate you. All right, it's just connecting. I think while we're hoping that it would connect. Yeah. I know that down there, what was it, Flo and a little bit of Digital was having problems.
Yeah. They're unable to join. I guess the signal is.
Yeah, the signal's really bad down there right now. Well, anyway, we want to say congratulations to.
Her name is Nardi.
Nardi?
Yeah, I hope I pronounced that right. Congratulations, Nardi. You are the winner of our Black Friday giveaway. Yeah, she won a value of 2,900 out of credit. So yeah, big up to you.
Yeah. But these are just the beginning of our giveaways and stuff like that. As I mentioned on the other live, I want to probably, not everything, but pick an outfit for a guy, pick an outfit for a girl, and give away something for December. As you guys know, we'll probably be there, sometime in January or early February for the casting call. And with that, we are bringing clothes down, so it's nothing for us to make another outfit.
Right.
Mail it to you while we're in Jamaica, so you can have your free item. I think that would be exciting.
Yeah. Also, because remember say I only gonna understand nobody else now go in our you in a. So that is something. Well, at least to me.
All right. So again, about the casting call, guys, there's still time for you to submit your photos into us. Again, it takes nothing to take a quick shot of you in a white shirt, jeans. If you have swim trunks or shorts for guys, I know a lot of guys saying they don't have swim trunks. Okay, fine. You can use some shorts.
Right.
We just want to see your physique, front and back as well. It's not fair for the girls to show us the bikini and you guys are not coming in with shorts.
Yeah, because we have a specific
body type
and specific wears that everyone is not modeling the same thing.
Right.
So based on how we see you, we know which clothes to make for you. So that is why we need to see all angles of your body, and then we will know exactly what you will be modeling for us.
Yeah, and again, I'll stress again, we're looking for plus size models as well, men and women. So, it's not about, I got a little gut or, I'm disproportionate. It's how the clothes are going to fit you. It's how confident are you going to be in this clothing brand that you put on. And that's what makes us. That's what makes us come alive. That's what makes us hold our head high walking down the street.
True. And also another thing, photo shoots, sometimes it's not all about the face.
Sure.
You can be chosen, and yet we only still want like maybe your lower body or your upper body or different parts. So just because maybe your face is not in it, don't mean you're still not a part of it or you're still not representing the brand. So just know that based on how your body is set up, that is what we're working with. What works for us, that works for you.
Right.
So, yeah.
That's so good. So, sending photos, we know someone, that could fit our brand, send them a message so that they can follow the page, send us their credentials that we're asking for. And it's not hard, again, just take 3 shots of yourself and, send it to the FIMI page. Do not send it to Tami page. If you send it to Tami page, it won't get submitted at all because it needs to go to the FIMI Energy page. Everything needs to go to the FIMI Energy page.
The winner, she comments.
Okay.
She says, I am finally here. Sorry if I'm late. Oh my God. But I want to tell you guys a big thank you. I have received my credit and I will support you all the way. A black-owned business is everything. Fire. Party time, fire. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations. We appreciate you so much. Pick up yourself. All right, guys. See you. Hear it from the winner. This is not a fake thing. It's real. Real people are winning. And as I said, we love giving back, especially to the Jamaicans, because that is where our heart is always. So big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support. It's not too late to go on over and follow the FIMI Energy page because, as we say, we have a lot more giveaways coming and you don't want to miss out on that.
Exactly. So, follow Tami's page, follow the FIMI Energy page. We're going to get to a point where we're not going to do these lives on Tami's page. We're going to do the lives and the giveaways only on the FIMI Energy page. So if you're not a follower, you need to be, just because it's going to be on that page and that page on Business Wise. There you go. Business Wise.
All right. So that is it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us and supporting us. Bless